Hello, my fellow creators, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to come on here real quick to do an unpackaging of some goodies that were sent to me by Globeland. Now, Globeland reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in sharing some of their products, and I said yes. So they had me pick some products, making sure I kept to less than $40 in the budget. And they sent me a few products. Now, I don't know what's in here yet because I don't remember what I chose. But let's take a look at everything together. Alrighty. Now, Globeland is a sister website of BB Craft, which some of you may be familiar with. And Globeland provides different paper crafting supplies such as dies and silicone stamps. So that is a little bit different than what you may be used to as far as stamps. So let's take a look at what I requested. There's this beautiful stamp set, and I don't see names for these, just product numbers. But I'll make sure I link in the description box below all the products that were sent to me. And then I'll be using them in a future video or two to show how they work and how I like them. Here, let's take it out of the package because you're getting the glare from the package. Alrighty. Oh, it's in another package in there. Okay. So, double wrapped in plastic, which I guess they might do that for shipping purposes. That's an awful lot of plastic. And I just love this one. This is beautiful. Look at this like writing and this rose. I'm excited to use this one on a card. Okay, there's the first stamp set that I chose. And then Globeland also gave me a coupon code, and I'll put it on screen for you. And I'll also list it in the description box below. Let's take a look. The next one. Oh, that's right. When I selected my products, I was still in a winter Christmas theme mood. And isn't this adorable? Now, let's take a look. This stamp image is about 4 by 3 and 5/8. So it won't fill up a card, but it'll be a good focal point on your card. And I love that. The snuggle is real. And then Snowbody warms my heart like you. Hugs. Winter wishes. And this is cute because snowmen are easy to color. And then I can focus on the coloring of the background. So that's the second stamp set I requested. And then it looks like the rest of the items I requested are dies. Again, there are no names on the packaging, so I'll have to go back and look. But I will link them. Oh yes, this was snowman dies. So you have your snowman here, and then some accessories, little mittens, and here's his arms, and here's the little string with some lights for Christmas lights, and then here's a variety of hats and scarves, a couple of gifts. So this is really cute. I can make a variety of snow people. And let's see, the size of this snowman is slightly under 2 inches by 2 5/8, I think. Yeah. So it's a pretty substantial size snowman. And then the next die set I requested. Now, when I requested items, I didn't go into like the details to find out what the dimensions were. So these are a lot smaller than I thought they were going to be, but they're cute. These can be helpful when I'm making tags. Like there's this little postage stamp edge, mini tags. So these will be cute for making tags and for adding some embellishments to cards. And there's several. Let's see. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 in that package. And 19 in this package. So 33. That's pretty good. Apologize again for the scratchy throat. On the tail end of this cold right now, but almost out of the woods. And then this was the last product I ordered. And again, I didn't look at the dimensions, so I didn't know if these were full A2 panel size, and they're not. These are, let's see, 3 5/8 by 4 3/8. So while they don't cover a full panel, you could make a smaller panel, pop it up, make shakers out of a couple of these, or use these to make your own stencil. So this one's really pretty. I like the geometrics on that. And then this variety of stripes, like that too. Here's some triangles. And you know, if you're creative, you can cut it. Let me find A2 size card base. You could cut here and then bring it down and cut again to get your full size. You just have to do some creative die cutting there. And then here's the fourth one in that package. These die cut floral and leaf images. And they seem pretty sturdy. We'll see how well they cut when I do a couple of process videos using the goodies I was sent by Globeland. Let's just kind of show you all my goodies together. So there's all my goodies I got from Globeland. Again, I'll be sure to link their website in the description box below, as well as my coupon code and links to the products I have chosen. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.